My name is Katerina, this is my sister Maria.
I am Maria, and we are coming from Greece.
And we are owners of Midis Travel Agency, destination management company in Greece.
And what award have you won tonight?
The best DMC in Greece.
Congratulations, and tell me, what does it mean to you to win this prestigious World Travel Award?
What has been?
What does it mean to you tonight to win this prestigious World Travel Award?
It's a big honor, a big privilege, and this is our second year winning the same award. So we are very, very happy and very proud.
How do you think you will actually use this particular award to promote your industry?
Well, I think it's a trademark in our industry, and it will add something on our assets as company in Greece. So we are really very proud to have it.
Congratulations once again. And tell me, just on the social media side, how do you promote your particular industry to the social world, and how do you attract your target market?
Well, we are on all social media, and we have a special department taking care of that. I think now it's a part of our industry and part of our life. So we cannot really do without the social media. So this will be playing on our site very, very soon as we get the photos from you.
Thank you, and congratulations once again.
Thank you very much. Thank you.